Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first of all, I'm trying to introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Azahra. Uh, the name 20 and 21 00700 3 and 4 from class AK21C from University Nusa Putra. Study program accounting and faculty business and humaniora. Okay, I want to tell the effect of using Sipon on student spending at Al Matuk Islamic Boarding School. From the theory, there are Badir 1 208 and according to Mujilman 20 and 12, according to Romney 20 and 16, and the case distributor generally refer to transition involving case and qualified count such the check and petty case. And from the Mulyadi 200. The next discussion, Al Maktoum Islamic Boarding School has more than 100 students, all of whom have the different economies. Every day they will spend expensive cash. There are no restrictions. There before and pesantren facilities and reshape the expenditure to pocket money, which every day and limited in cash distribution, so that students can manage their expenses. The Islamic boarding school financial application is one of the modules of the SIPON program. There, that's Islamic boarding school information system, which they use it for all kinds the combined needs of Islamic boarding schools, which include management, boarding, administration, finance, and public relations. Uh, benefits from school manager or Islamic boarding school. There are administrative and financial matters for schools and Islamic boarding school have become easier. Work, report, receipt, and communication with the guardian are smoothly, easily board, news, and announcement to student parents. And then, in the rest, students trust in the institution, and then strengthening the relationship between the institution and the guardian of students. And then, one from the kindness of school, Islamic boarding schools, to parents of students is the provide information on the development of students. Parents can find out the progress of their children, SPP, tahfidz, health, attendance, pocket money, and others. And then, be additional to the record the homescans of parents should children nearest to seek knowledge in the Islamic boarding school eliminates the worries of parents whose students run out the pocket money at Islamic boarding school. Get news updates related to school or their children. One of the use the SIPON application is to manage students' finance by saving, storing, taking, paying, and so on, which in the SIPON application there are financial features consisting of a separate page, cash transfer mode, the restoration rates and effect exempted, tutorial section, SPP setting according to ability, pocket money receipt, canon cash transaction for internal contacted, pocket money interested, loan repayment, payment of the internet canteen, or cooperative, pocket money withdrawal, student pocket money report, old our pocket money reports, our pocket money report, and regular payment reports, and student balance, and others. After doing research that there are some financial features of SIPON that are not needed by Al-Matuk Islamic Boarding School. The SIPON's application is only used by the accountant who takes care of students' pocket money finance, which only feature daily roamings is taking pocket money, receipts, pocket money, and daily financial reports. From 100, 1,901 Almaty students, only 75% saves money in the Sivan system. After conducting interview with some students, that there are several factors and make students not have money in the Sivan, including the time for taking pocket money is limited, while there are many students, and there are only two maximum pocket money collection counters, and each brand and the percentran which makes the quality very long. And lazy students who quit or come to the pickup counter, like and accounts or employees, guardian the pocket money collection counter. The number of students is interesting an area of schools, and Islamic boarding school is getting bigger and even separate buildings, so the program connection through the network become problematic. And the account employee who hold student pocket money sometimes makes the expense report to match the inside side. There are the several factors, the trigger, the error memory. Internet connection that is sometimes unstable, which makes it happen two times in inputting data. Due to the rush of time while the students work very long, and error quality the inputting names. Become the pocket money does the sound so makes the stadium fights not to the mention the name mania nominal taken. The performance of the SIP1 application at the Al-Matuk Islamic Boarding School. Step for working on the SIP1 application for students. First, accounts are applied. Open the SIPON's application with the correct username and password. Open the road, finance, and take pocket money. After that, include the names of the students, the nominal pocket money you want to spend, information, and save until then. Uh, give money to students. And from students, quaying in the orderly manner without the interrupting the quay. State the name and nominal amount, the money that you want to take with the condition that have been set with a maximum rate of 25,000 every day. After all the spending pocket money, you can will make the repeat spending pocket money for student every day, which will the sought information result from Excel. Example from the class study on Saturday, 26 June 20 and 22, Al Matuk Islamic Boarding School, Marquez Al Afaf. And then, and then, after the data has been recorded at the end, it is a downloading using the Microsoft Excel, which they will add student money withdrawals. Cash rebates, money draft from students are saving money. See first the remaining money total. The C-point application is used not only for spending pocket money, but there are many use that needs management, boarding, administration, invest, and public relations to make easier and needs the exam Islamic schools. Therefore, CPON boarding information system is very influential for the Al-Matuk Islamic Boarding School because it sound all kinds the needs to facilitate the work and the presentation in Nusul, and it can be admitted to using the Sipon application at the Al-Matuk Islamic Boarding School is quite good. It just the Al-Matuk Boarding School is the mostly except the financial sector which the query the accounting and to the refer and one thing from beginning happening again. From the result, the discussion has been carried to the application for SIPON boarding information system. The orders can conclude, namely the SIPON used by the Almato Islamic boarding school is only daily return the receiving, taking and report pocket money reports there. The SIPON application is very influential for finance, studying pocket every day, because SIPON the strong evolve if the different the savage value in the final report with the experience money to the record when the network recording is work or something and is not the dessert. Evolve to better to use in fact the MR to show sister pack of modem. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.